There are two ways to upload a 400 by 400 photo onto Photoshop. First is by going to the File menu. Going there you can select Open and open up your photo, then crop to 400 by 400. The second way is going to wherever you download the photo, but instead of saving it, right-click and copy it. Proceed to Photoshop and press Command+N to open a blank layer. Set the size to 400 by 400 and press Command+V to paste. The tools are right to the right of the screen. Most of them are pretty self-explanatory. I like to keep all my filters in a folder for neatness and just in case if I upload them to Tumblr. As you can see here, I'm testing out mostly all of them filters up to the last 5 IDK how to HA. For soft edits, the ones I really focus on are curves, color balance, brightness, photo filter. As you can tell, moving the filter layers under or over others really changes the look of the photo. There are two ways to apply grain. First is by going to Filter, then Noise. I usually apply 7 to 8% of grain and set it to Uniform. I do apply grain after applying filter. The other way is going to Filter again, Texture, then it'll open a screen. I don't really know the difference between this and grain. There's something, but it has to be minimal, because I prefer this one over grain, but here I set the grain intensity to 28 and contrast to 46. Before getting into it, if you don't know what a PSD is, go to mycard.co posted on my Tumblr. I posted a FAQ page on my website to answer any questions about my Tumblr, and that is one. You can typically download PSDs on DeviantArt and Tumblr. I have quite a few downloaded here. After downloading your PSD, open it up on Tumblr. It'll open a separate tab for that PSD. You will have to drag the tab to the bottom of your screen and click on your desired photo to add it. It's normally in a group file, so you can lower the opacity if it's too much or delete any layer. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Comment any questions or if I missed anything.